Today I'm just making a quick video showing you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2018 Audi Q5. So you're going to want to go underneath the glove box on the passenger side here. First thing you want to do is remove this piece of foam. So you have these little plastic push pins here and here. You can just grab those with your hands, pull them down. And this piece of foam comes back, towards the front of the car a little bit. It unhooks on this front edge, and then you just move that out of the way. With that out of the way, you see this white hook shape of piece of plastic. You want to get that off there. That's the cover for the cabin air filter housing. So all you have to do is pretty much get up here and unhook all these little hooks. There's one here, hold down on it. There's one off this front edge. You can get your finger in there and kind of pull it like that. Back here, the same kind of thing. You can just unhook it, kind of pull it down, and it just unclips. With that unclipped, here's the filter. You can see someone's kind of pushed it in here all kind of not very well in the past. It's not positioned great, but you can just pull that straight down out. Typically, they're not all crunched up like this. This was put in incorrectly in the past, so it's probably good that we're doing this because a lot was getting past the side of this in the condition that it was in. But you take the new one and you pretty much just stick it in the same way. So you curve it like this. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it's not as good as it could be. Let me set this down. And then you can kind of take it and carefully slide it into its position like that. Take your new cover, or I'm sorry, your old cover, and clip that right into place. You can see these little holes here line up with these, so just kind of use that for reference. It should clip into place. Push up, make sure they're all in, and you can put your little piece of foam back on. That goes in super easy. Like this. Make sure that's like that. These little push pins, push those into place, and there it is. So pretty easy job. One thing I didn't really show you is make sure you pay attention to the direction of airflow. They have little arrows on them. You just want them facing the same way you pulled it out. This one's in such rough shape I can't really even show you, but it's going to be flowing from the front of the car to the back of the car on this one, so, or from the right front corner to the back. So make sure the arrow is pointed that way. That's all. Thanks for watching.